somewhere in the Texas countryside.
Oh my God, it's a maniac!
Where chainsaws don't cut bodies but watermelons. This family knows a lot about hospitality. Their signature dish?
This is a vegan stew of those who did not leave.
A master class from professionals. How to scare so that you can laugh together later. And in this strange house where chainsaws are kitchen utensils,
We don't have electricity, so we have to improvise.
even horror is turning into a good tradition.
Oh, you're bone thin. You need to be fed.
Because family is when you are loved. Even if your hobby is to suddenly turn on chainsaws at breakfast.